Welcome to my channel. What to expect from this channel? I dive into the captivating world of electronics, tools, and maintenance with our expert-led tutorials and hands-on demonstrations. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a curious beginner, our channel is your go-to destination for mastering the art of electronics and honing your skills in maintenance. What you'll find here: hammer and wrench tools and equipment reviews. Discover the latest and greatest tools essential for your workshop. From soldering stations to multimeters, we've got you covered with in-depth reviews and recommendations. Wrench electronics demystified. Unravel the mysteries of electronics through our step-by-step guides. Learn to build circuits, troubleshoot issues, and grasp the fundamentals with our easy-to-follow tutorials. Hammer maintenance made easy. Don't let household or electronic devices intimidate you. Graduation Cap Teaching and Learning Hub. Education is at the heart of our channel. Engage in comprehensive lessons designed to boost your knowledge and confidence, and many more.
This video, like I said before, this video is to convert stabilizer to amplifier. So now what I'm about to do, I want us to see how I will separate the primary to secondary. It's the secondary side that we are going to use to convert the amplifier. The secondary voltage that we are going to use to convert the amplifier, while the primary voltage is one that is the primary voltage that will power it. So let's watch and see how I will separate it. This last one, you watch it, there are numbers. This last one here now, you have to cut it off and separate it. Yes, as you can see, I've all removed it from the insulator. As you can see, every transformer, the starting, look at the starting here. This starting of this transformer will go for the neutral. So before then, let's check whether the transformer is in good condition. Let's check. Okay, with what I'm seeing here, the transformer is in good condition. And this starting down here will go for the neutral, or you can call it negative. So let us find the positive. How you can find the positive? This last side of it, the next connection of it, you lose it. When you lose it, you check the one that will read together with the neutral. You check the one that will read together with the neutral. This one did not read. Okay, this one has read. So this one that read together with neutral will be the positive. While this other one will be the output. In the sense that we have converted this in now from primary to secondary. So this one now stands for the secondary side, while this side now will stand for the primary side. So we no longer needed these ones again. These ones are no longer needed. What we need is this one and this one. This one now is the primary, while this one now is the secondary, and this one is the output. So cover them back. So power it now so that we see it. So I want to power it now. I've powered it. So this one now is the output. So we are going to convert this secondary side now to DC voltage. So we use it to power the sound outputs that we are about to read now. Thank you.
More of this video is coming. There will be more series on. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.